Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies at home. You should not waste your time. Let's continue our lesson in geography. Today we'll do forest and wildlife resources. It's a new chapter. Before going through this chapter, we should know something about this. That's an introduction, something to know before going through this chapter. Let us read this. 1, 2, 3, 4 points I've written over here. We share this planet Earth with millions of living beings. We share this earth with millions of living beings, such as microorganisms, insects, plants, animals. They are all living organisms. And we share this world with them. This entire means total, whole, habitat. This is a habitat. The earth is a habitat for living organisms. This total, whole habitat that we live in has immense, great biodiversity, varieties, great varieties of biodiversity, living diversity. Number 3, we human beings, along with all living organisms, we human beings along with insects, microorganisms, plants, animals, form a complex, difficult to understand, not easy, web. Web means net, complicated net of ecological system. It's a system in which we are only a part and very much dependent on this system. Human beings depend on this system for our own survival. For our own survival, we depend on this ecological system, and we are only part of it, and it is a complex network or web. Number 4, forest. Now, since we are talking about forest and wildlife, let's go to forest. Play a key role, an important role in the ecological system. In the ecological system, forests play an important role because it purifies the air, it provides oxygen, it provides food for us, shelter and many raw materials, as well as it will protect the soil, it provides humus and many. It plays a key role in ecological system. It provides shelter to the wild animals. So ecological system, as they are also the primary producers. Plants, forest and plants, the vegetation, you can say that. Vegetation comes under everything. Plants, shrubs, herbs, trees. The vegetation or the forest play a key role in the ecological system, as they are also the primary producers on which all other living organisms depend. Without vegetation, without plants or forest, other organisms cannot survive. So the forest play a key role in this network or the system of ecological system. So this is a short introduction line. Now we'll go through flora and fauna. Flora, fauna means plants and animals. Flora means plants, fauna means animals. In India, plants and animals. We'll talk about them in detail. Number 1, first we'll go through. There are again number 4 points. First I wrote, India is one of the world's richest countries, not in the terms of money, richest countries in terms of vast biological diversity. In terms of biological diversity, varieties, India is rich in the world. Richest countries in the world in terms of biological diversity. You see the people in India, so many cultures, so many religions, so many tribes there. not only that, so many varieties of crops are grown, so many varieties of plants are found, so many varieties of thousands and thousands of varieties of animals, insects, plants are found over here. Such a great variety of biological diversity we have, and we are very rich in this term. Number two, India has almost means nearly 8% of the total number of species in the world. You can see that this shows quite big diversity. In the world, so many species of animals, plants, microorganisms, everything. Among them, we have India has 8% of these species found in the world. Twice or thrice the number. 8% is just what we have discovered and what we have found and know. Twice or three times the number yet still to be discovered. Still to be discovered in vast, dense forest. People have not gone inside. How many varieties of plants, animals are found there, or insects are found there? We have not discovered yet. Still to be discovered, 2-3 times more than 8%. Number 4 point, these diverse plants and animals or flora and fauna are so well integrated or interlinked in our daily life. In our daily life, they are integrated, they are connected. But now they are under great stress. But now they are under threat. Because for our development, for our developmental goals, for our industrial growth, for modernization, we use them thoughtlessly, the forest resource. Animals are being killed, insects are being killed, because each and every organism has a part to play in this ecosystem, in this ecological biodiversity. Each and every organism has a part or a role to play, but we destroy them. We are destroying them, and now they are in danger. So they are under great stress because we are thoughtless, we are careless, we never think about that. So that's why we must study carefully and learn, and we must know their importance and the method to save them or protect them for our own survival. Otherwise, our life will be at stake. We will be in danger. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. Stay safe, continue your lessons, go through the book at home, and above all, go through the online portal every day so that you will not miss your classes. That's all for today. Thank you very much.